Hello friends, we're in the city of Málaga, in the Alcazaba of Málaga. This will be the old Moorish fort in the city of Málaga. Now Málaga, the etymology is Arabic, and in Hebrew also malach means salt. Here's where they would bring the fish, they would salt them, and they would send them out in other places. Now we have also find in the Talmud a reference to something called colias and the Tveres Yisrael translates that to mean the mackerel, or probably some similar like the mackerel family, let's say anchovies or sardines. Those would be salted, and that way they would be able to travel with, they would be able to export them to far lands. It has ramifications in reference to the laws of Shabbat. If one would pour hot water on it, that would be the end. That would be the final final act to make it edible. In the year 1013, the Jews were had to leave because of the political upheaval from Cordoba. So some of them moved here, like the father of Shlomo ibn Gabirol, the famous Paitan, which we'll speak about in a minute or two. Also Shmuel Nagid, before he became the vizier in Granada from the king, he also lived. He had a store in Malaga selling spices. Now, what's quite interesting is that in 1487, there were 200 Jews living still in Malaga. When Ferdinand and Isabel had conquered, they had conquered the Malaga back, and they took the Jews captive. So some 200, it was 100 families, but around 200 people. And they were taken captive, and there was 100. I forget, I don't know how you pronounce that, but that was meravadis. That's a type of 1 million meravadis. Is an enormous amount of money. Abraham Senior, he was the chief rabbi of Spain, and also Shlomo ibn Verga, he was the one that wrote the Shebeṭ Yehudah, the Sefer Shebeṭ Yehudah. They were in charge of collecting the money and paying the ransom to keep the Jews, to ransom the Jews. Now in 1490, they were expelled from Malaga. Exactly 2 years before the expulsion from all the Jews of Spain, and that was 2 years before the thing. That's the story of Malaga, and the rest we'll talk in a moment downstairs.